So now let's see how we can work around with list block inside of WordPress right here. So over here you can see that I have this post right here, and let me just go ahead and add in a block right here. So I just pressed enter and you can see that I got this blank block spot right here. So now what I can simply do is I can click on the plus button right here and then search for list right here, just like this. And then once you do that, you can see that list is an option right here, just like this. So let me just go around and let's say, for example, type in 1, 2 right here, just like this, 3 and so forth right here, and I got this particular list right here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that I got no settings as of now, but if I were to go around, I can go ahead and then let's say, for example, rearrange out the list that I have as well. And this is how you can work around with the list block. You can also indent it out, as you can see right here, to create more of a sub list right here, just like this as well. Right here. So let me just go around and type in 4, let's say, for example, and I can indent it back or even push this forward, as you can see. And similarly, you can see that the dots actually change out right there. You got the AI assistant, which allows you to go ahead and then simplify it, expand it, and so forth right here as well. So now, apart from that, if I were to go around, then you can see that I got more options over here, and you can see that I can select the entire list right here by clicking on this as well. So once I do that, I can actually go ahead and change it from an ordered list to an ordered list as well. And you can see that as I click on this, you can see that I can add in numbers over here as well. So I can go around over here, turn it into orders right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and let's say, for example, move this, you can see that the numbers changes out accordingly. You can also go ahead and bold these or italicize these right here, or add in link to this as well, so that this becomes clickable. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the list block inside of WordPress.com's editing area. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.